What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Team Corally Shogun. What I'm about to do, just bash her in the street, little street bash real quick. Let's get into it. Yeah, this thing is a monster, man. I just need some better tires. I gotta install some and these tires really are about done. Oh, this thing is a beast. I'm about to put that Gens Ace battery in here and really see what she can do. Oh, here come a car. All right, this is my first pass, and yo, this on the wheelie. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. What did I break? I want to check that speed. Guarantee I popped the pivot ball out. Let's check that out. See what I did. Oh, I broke the arm. And that's all she wrote. Did 61 miles an hour. I could have did that. I think it would have hit like 65, maybe 70 if I wouldn't have crashed. But this is the results. Boom. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and I'm out.